Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beginners Lab. In today's video, we are going to do same thing as we did before in our S3 bucket. But today we are going to host a static website and learn the key concept that how we can host it and what are the barriers which we will get between these things and how to overcome those barriers. So without wasting our time, let's start. So this is our home page. Let's click on S3 bucket. Now it's showing that you have to create a bucket. Let's create our bucket. So firstly, I want to tell you, as before, our bucket name should be globally unique. Getting my point? Not same throughout the globe. So I am taking my this name. Okay, so nothing we will do, only here deselect all. After this you will get this icon, so I acknowledgement. Now leave it same to same, just create a bucket, because we are going to create a simple bucket, and I'm going to show you that how you can launch a website in that and how we can add photo through that only. So first thing first, let's upload. But today we are not uploading any kind of means random image. I have created this 3 pages. We will just upload this. Means I was having my sample. Actually the name is always index.html for our HTML file, but I'm using sample because I am having so many indexes file. Sometimes it's difficult for me also to give. After this, upload successfully. So our first part is completed. Create a bucket, upload the item successfully, then close. Now go to properties. Scroll down. Here you will see a option of static website hosting. Here you can host your website with the help of S3 bucket in a cloud. So click on edit. We will enable it. So what's it showing? We will give our same sample.html, which file I'm having. Then I'm having a error file also, error.html. So I've done this. Rules we are not doing right now. Just save the changes. We have done this much. So see, our half part is completed. We have uploaded the photos, we have uploaded everything. Now we have enabled it also, and we have added our error file also. So now our next step is to give permissions. So before that, I'm going to show you something. Let's click on this. See what it is. You are forbidden to use. But why? We have given all the permissions. If you remember that we have deselected all the buckets. So why now we are having this kind of error? Because we haven't given a policy. We need to give the policy to our bucket for allowing it to check. To means enter that space. Like we have to go to a bank. If we want to go cashier room, we should have the access now. Doesn't mean that we have entered the bank so we can go. Okay, so we will move to permissions. Now what it's showing, the policy. So I have already created a policy because I wanted this video too short to just complete. So I have already created the index files. I have already created the policies. So policies creation is not a big deal. Here you can see policy generator. This I will discuss in a separate video, a proper brief video about policy generator, that how we will generate the policy for which thing. For now, if you will copy my policy, so from here to here, you have to add your bucket name. Whatever your bucket name is there, you have to add from my till bs. Oh, what's happening? Okay, so this much you need to add, rest is as same. This policy I will be providing in my description. Okay, just look below the tags there. I'll be sure to keep this so policy safe. So what we will do, we were having this error. So see, so I have just created this random website with using AI in few seconds only, just to show you. See, I have uploaded my videos, like the video which I have uploaded. This is a working website. So just leave it. Here are more websites which I have given. Then here is subscribe option. Then you can go to my Instagram handle. Guys, be sure to subscribe my Instagram handle. It's same as Bigness Lab. So just make sure to subscribe it, because there I'm giving interview questions in the form of image. So maybe it's easy for you while scrolling. Daily I will post an image. Maybe you can remember that. So see what happens. The image which I have uploaded there, the image which I have uploaded in our S3 bucket is here. So I have not given background images and all, because that will be a too lengthy process for me also to judge. I have just created this website within 1 hour. Then I have corrected so many things. So you can see here I'm having my photo here which I have uploaded in my S3 bucket, this logo.phd. So open it, this photo I have done here. So coding was already written by me. So this you can show as your static website by using cloud as your mini project. Means you are doing something, you have created this. If you are creating dynamically also, we'll be studying that, and we would be creating it with the help of EC2. So basically this is a minor project. Maybe this can be used by BCA third semester final project also, because BCA level is a bit low, but this will not work for post graduation students. So guys, that's all for today.